Like some rocks today. I'm kind of trying to support the back ditch, clean it up. The chickens have roosted a bunch of rocks out of the way. Dennis went and got some shell rock. And this is where I find the best rock gardens are, right in our own backyard. You'll know when a rock is ripe, overripe. Obviously this one has a lizard on it, so I think it's probably overripe. I think it's a little bit too big. It would not be a good choice. There is a chance that maybe I could pick this one up for sure, but I always have to have my gloves on. So, yeah, these all look pretty big. Not a good idea. We can't risk going to the hospital right now with a hurt back. These are all perfect ripe. This is like the total perfect ripeness that you'd want to pick from your rock garden. Oh, there's my little rock hound. See ya. Now, as far as ripeness again, I found that sometimes it hurts your knuckles if you like tap on them, knock on them, like what you hear at the grocery stores. So I kind of suggest against that. Smell, I haven't really noticed a rock that smells, so you're gonna have to let me know about that one. But I'm just, yeah, I'll give you some more pointers. I'm actually driving right now, so I'm thinking maybe I should get off the video right now. So when you've done your harvest, I find it much easier to put your harvested rocks inside a wheelbarrow, and then that way you can carefully carry them across the ditch, don't fall in the creek, and you'll be able to put them on your project area. Another hint I just thought of, if by chance you did drop a rock, it's good to have boots on. I like to tuck my pants into my boots. Kind of oaky, that's high roll. Gotta mention this while I'm thinking about it. If you haven't tried stone soup, just go to www.mimicookstonesoup.happy and you'll be able to pull it up. It's delicious, trust me. So every now and again, if my rocks seem like they're growing slow or something, I take them out to the back ditch and I give them a bath, and they get a really deep soak, and I swear they get the best root systems and you get the biggest crops ever. Very important part of rock collecting and rock harvesting, rock growing, is the fact that it's very sustainable. Definitely good for our planet. Gotta love our rocks. Pet rocks are really good for your brain too. Keep you even.